Hello everyone. In this video I show you how you can fix desktop capture is not working. Now the first thing we want to try is right click on your desktop and go to display settings. In here find graphic settings, and in here there should be hardware accelerated GPU. And what you want to do is you want to turn this on. After that, you want to open up GeForce Experience or the new NVIDIA app. Both of them work just fine. Go to Settings on GPU is up here. And make sure NVIDIA Overlay is on. Then press Alt plus Set to open up the overlay. Now this is on the new app, but on GeForce Experience it will be up here. So you just have to try and find the same stuff that I'm finding. What you want to do is you want to make sure that Instant Replay is turned off. So go and turn it off. Once you've done that, you want to head to the video capture on GeForce Experience. You have to go to the settings and scroll down and find something called Privacy something. And in there will be a desktop capture. What you want to do is you want to find this and then you want to turn it on. And then come back and turn Instant Replay on. Once you've done that, it should hopefully work. And that's about it. Like I said, I suggest you update it to the new NVIDIA app instead of using GeForce Experience, but you can do it on GeForce Experience as well. The only difference is that on this app, you have to go into the settings here to find desktop capture. And on GeForce Experience, you have to find something called Privacy if you scroll down to the settings somewhere. Once you have Overlay open, and it will be in there. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.